Welcome to the e-learning program of Modern International School Hiswa. So friends, this is Asif. In this video lecture, we will learn how to solve questions of exercise 2E, chapter 2, factors and multiples, class 6. So students, get ready to learn. So let's take started. Question number 16. Have a look. For each pair of numbers, verify that their product is equal to HCF multiplied by LCM. Okay. Now, there are 3 sub questions of question number 16 and we have to solve only one, and you can do the other 2 questions. Okay. Now here the first me 87 and 145. First of all, to find the HCF and LCM of this 2 given number. Okay. Either we can find by the division method or by factorization method. Now let us see how to find the HCF and LCM by factorization method. First of all, write 87. 87 can be written as 87. We can apply the 3 table. 3 2 ja becomes 29 and 29 1 ja 29. That means 87 can be written as 5 multiplied by 29. 87 can be written as 3 multiplied by 29. Okay. Now similarly for 145, we can apply 5 to the 10. 5 to the 10 here is 4 and 5. This becomes 45 and 5 9 ja 45. Okay. 29 ja 20. 29 1 ja 29. This becomes 5 multiplied by 29. This can be written as 5 multiplied by 29. Now see, HCF means highest common factor. HCF means highest common factor. Now see, look at the here is the highest common factor. 29 are the highest common factor to 87 and 45. So HCF is 29. Okay. Now next LCM. So LCM, write the common numbers. LCM is equal to 29 multiplied by this 5 and also multiply by this 3. That means LCM is equal to 435, and we have to verify this HCF multiplied by LCM becomes the product of number. Now see, the HCF into LCM becomes, here is the HCF, here is the LCM. If we multiply, we get 12,615. Here have a look. Now, and we have to check the product of these 2 number. Okay. Now if you multiply the product of these 2 number, 145 multiplied by 87 becomes the same number. Here we can say that HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to product of 2 numbers. That means 87 multiplied by 145 is equal to product of 2 number. This is verified. Okay. I hope you will get the points. First of all, find the HCF and LCF, multiply both LCM and HCF and find the result, and then multiply the given 2 numbers. Okay. All the numbers after multiplying the given numbers and after multiplying HCF and LCM becomes the same. That means this is verified. Okay. Now see the next question. Question number 17. Because the question number 17, 18, 19, 20, these are the similar question and we have to solve only one question. Okay. So friends, see, the product of 2 numbers is 2160 and their HCF is 12. Find their LCM. Okay. Now see friends, there is one formula. From formula we can write LCM multiplied by HCF is equal to product of 2 numbers. Okay. Product of 2 numbers. Now first, here is the given. We have to find the HCF. Sorry, we have to find the LCM. Okay. Now LCM as it is, because we have to find multiply by HCF is 12. Here is 12. Product of 2 numbers. Product of 2 numbers is given 2160, and we have to find the LCM. So LCM as it is, now this 2160 divided by 12. Why? Because this is the product. So afterwards, if you carry the right side, this becomes as a denominators. Okay, now this is, now we have to divide 12. This we can divide either 2160. Now see, that means 2160 divided by 12. We have to divide this number by 12. Divide 12 1 ja 12. Here we divide, we get 180. So the LCM is equal to 180. This is answer this question. Now the see friends, question number 18, 19, 20. These are the similar as question number 17. Okay. Now question number 21 says find the least number divisible by. Least number means LCM. We have to find the LCM, lowest common multiple. Okay, we have to find the LCM by 15, 20, 24, 32 and 60, 36. Okay, question number 21 we have to find. In question number 21 we have to find the LCM. Okay, now question number 22. See the question number 22. Let's start. Now see, question number 22. Find the least number which when divided by 25, 40 and 60 leaves 9 as a remainder in each case. Now see the friends, numbers, given numbers is are 25, 40 and 60, and leave the remainder as 9. Okay, now find the number. First of all, find the LCM of this number. Okay, either division method or factorization method. First of all, find the LCM of these numbers and add 9 to the LCM. This gives us required answer. Okay, first of all, find the LCM of these numbers, add 9 to the LCM. Okay, I hope you will get the point. Now next question, question number 23 is the similar questions. Now see the question number 23. Now see students, 23, question number 23. Find the least number of 5 digits that is exactly divisible by 16, 18, 24 and 30. Here first of all write the least number of 5 digits means 1 with 4 times 0. This is the smallest number of 5 digits. Now find the LCM, and the LCM is 720, and we have to find the LCM by division method, or either we can find the LCM of factorization method. Okay, now and divide this 5 digit smallest number by LCM. Here is the remainder, that means here is the remainder. Now we have to find the required number, and the number is the least 5 digit number which is divisible by these given numbers. Okay, which is divisible by these given numbers. Now write the 5 smallest digit number. Here is the least 5 digit number. Okay, and subtract 640 because here is the remainder. We have to subtract, then add LCM. We get the required number 10080. This is a smallest 5 digit number which is exactly divisible by 16, 18, 24 and 30. And this is looks like as a formula. Whatever the questions says, this like the same question. First of all, find the LCM and divide the smallest number of 5 digit. Whatever the remainder, subtract the remainder from this number and add the LCM. Okay, this will give answer. Now see question number 29. An electronic device makes a beep after every 15 minutes. Another device makes a beep after every 20 minutes. They beeped together at 6 a.m. At what time will they next beep together? That means 6 a.m. Now here is the numbers given 15 minutes. What's the 15 minutes? Question number 29. 15 minutes and 20 minutes. Okay. Now they starts beeping at from 6 a.m. Okay. First of all, find the LCM of these given minutes, of these given numbers. So the LCM is LCM is equal to 60. You have to find the LCM by factorization method or division method. This becomes 16 LCM. Okay. Now the 16 minutes means 60 minutes. 16 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Okay. And they both starts from 6 a.m. Both start from 6 a.m. and we have to find at what time will they next beep together means ek saath 1 hour. That means if we add 1 hour, 1 hour to 6 a.m. becomes 7 a.m. That means your answer is 7 a.m. So first of all, find the LCM of 15 minutes and 20 minutes. You will get 16 minutes, that means 1 hour, and add 1 hour to 6 a.m. becomes 7 a.m. Okay, so 7 a.m. is answer. Now the next last question, question number 13. The circumferences of the four wheels are this okay, 15 centimeter, 16 centimeter, and 75 centimeter, and 100 centimeter. They start moving simultaneously. What least distance should they cover so that each wheel makes a complete number of revolutions? Okay. In this question, we have to find the first LCM, because here is the least distance. We have to find the LCM of 15 centimeter, 16 centimeter, 75 centimeter, and 100 centimeter. I turn the LCM into meter. This will give answer. Okay. I hope you can do it. So the homework is the remaining questions from 16 to 13. Whatever the remaining questions, okay, we have to solve from 16 to 13 of remaining questions. Okay. So we will see in the next video exercise 2E, exercise 2F. Okay, I hope you will enjoy this video. Okay, and keep watching this video very carefully till the end. See you again. Have a nice day.